Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw RM of BTS. The drawing which I am going to draw is from RM's album Indigo, as it is my most favorite solo album he made. I remember I went crazy listening to it. Actually, I listened the album on loop, watching every reaction videos, reacting to it and going crazy every single time. The respect, the admiration that I have for this man grows every single time. Actually, I do made my friend listen to his songs and now we both vibe together. All the adorable freaks out there, I would like to recommend a song from his latest album, Right Place, Wrong Person. The song goes by the name Come Back to Me. There is a specific line which has been stuck in my head forever that goes by, you don't have to be anything you see, try not to be something in the sea. I find comfort in his lyrics. Hope you all will find it too. And lastly, always remember you are not freak but unique.